You're watching Financiable, a YouTube channel for finance video, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add DApp browser on your Trust Wallet, alright? First step, go on setting after opening your, Trust Wallet, and go on where it says preferences over here, and over here where it says DApp browser, click on it, and make sure you turn it on. Once you turn it on, click on clear browser cache, click on OK. Once you do that, as you guys can see, go back now, and your DApp browser should be available at the bottom. As you guys can see, DApps, I can click on it, and it's gonna take me over here. Now I can search for any stuff or go to any website. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can get DApp browser on your Trust Wallet on Android and on iOS. How you guys can connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. Alright, so basically open Trust Wallet and go on versus DApps over here, and make sure your DApp browser is enabled. If you don't know how to do that, you can go on setting, and you can go on versus preferences and go on DApp browser and make sure to enable it, and it should be done. After you enable it and you come to DApp browser, at the top where it says search, click on it, and over here you want to write UNISWAP. Once you write Uniswap, search for it. Once you search for it, you can see uniswap.com, click on it, and it's going to take you to the official website of Uniswap. Now once you're over here where it says launch app, click on it. It's going to take you over here, and basically automatically my wallet has been connected over here. It's that simple. You just have to open Uniswap through the DApp browser function of Trust Wallet, and it's connected. So this is basically my wallet address over here, as you guys can see. If I want to disconnect it, I can just click on it, click on disconnect, and my wallet will be disconnected. And I can click on connect wallet, and as you guys can see, click on connect wallet, and it should be connected over here. If it doesn't connect for some reason, even after doing this, what you can do is just close this and search for Uniswap again and go to Uniswap, and it should be connected. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. And it's a Ethereum based protocol, so you need to keep that in mind. How you guys can log out of Trust Wallet on your PC. So I'm gonna open Trust Wallet over here real quick. I just want to show you guys, this is a laptop which I'm using. Alright, so I'm gonna click on Trust Wallet to open it. So once you're over here and you open Trust Wallet, what you want to do is go on setting. Once you go on setting, you want to go on versus wallets, and once you're in wallet, you can see multi-coin wallet over here. You can click on the three dot right beside the wallet. Now I named my wallet multi-coin wallet. Now your wallet name might also be multi-coin wallet, or it might be different, alright, but doesn't matter. All the wallet which you have currently logged into is going to be shown over here, and the wallet which you want to log out from, you can click on the three dot right beside it, and you can click on the dustbin icon at the top right corner and click on OK, and wait for some time, enter your password. After you do that, you should be able to log out from your Trust Wallet like this. Now I need to either log in into my account or create myself a new wallet. So yeah, that's how you guys can log out from Trust Wallet on your PC. How you guys can import your Trust Wallet into your MetaMask wallet, right? First step, open your Trust Wallet, and on your Trust Wallet, go on setting. And on setting, you want to go on wallets, and over here you want to click on the three dot and click on versus show secret recovery phrase, and over here enter the password of your account. After you do that, you want to tick mark these three boxes and click and continue. And once you see these 12-word recovery phrase over here, make sure to copy it, or make sure to write it down in a copy, because we are gonna need it right now. Now after you see it, make sure to open your MetaMask. And once your MetaMask opens up, what you want to do is click on forget passport, because we want to import a new wallet over here. Alright, and over here where it asks you 12-word recovery phrase, make sure to enter the code which you just copied over here. So I copied it from over here and I pasted it over here. Once you paste it, create a new passport for yourself. So I'm going to do that real quick. You guys also create yourself a passport and enter it again to confirm it. Once you do that, click on restore. And basically, if the 12-word recovery phrase you written over here is correct, then your MetaMask wallet will open up over here. Now if you guys want to see your Binance stored over here, so this is just the Ethereum network. If you want to see your coins stored on Binance network, what you need to do is click on this and click on Smart Chain over here. So I've already added Binance Smart Chain, that's why it's showing me BNB. But if you don't know how to add Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask, you can watch our video on our channel Financiable, where we teach you guys how you guys can add Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask. How you guys can find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. And remember, different crypto has different wallet addresses, so you need to keep that in mind. And it's really important, because when you're transferring crypto, you need to copy the correct wallet address. Alright, if you copy the wallet address of Ethereum when you're trying to transfer BNB, then it's not gonna work. For BNB, you need to find the wallet address of BNB. For Bitcoin, you need to find the wallet address of Bitcoin. First step, what you want to do is click on receive after opening your Trust Wallet, and over here at the top, search the crypto whose wallet address you want to see. So for an example, I want to see BNB, so I'm gonna write BNB, and it's gonna show you all the different types of BNB. So make sure you choose the correct one. So I want the smart chain one, so I'm gonna choose BNB smart chain. After this, I can either scan the QR code or click on copy over here, alright? And I have copied the wallet address. And the random number and digit which you see right below your QR code over here, like the long list, yeah, that's the wallet address. And the wallet address is of BNB. Now, I can only send BNB in this wallet address, alright? Nothing else than BNB. If I want to see of Bitcoin, I can write BTC. The short form of Bitcoin is BTC. You can even write Bitcoin, it doesn't matter. Click on it, and as you guys can see, the QR code and the text below the QR code is the wallet address of Bitcoin. So yeah, that's how you guys can see wallet address of any crypto on your Trust Wallet. How you guys can deposit money on your Trust Wallet. This video's purpose, I'm going to be using USDT. So I'm going to click on where it says buy, and over here I'm going to search for USDT. But you don't have to use USDT, you can use any other one you like, alright? So I'm going to choose Tether, TRC21. Once you click on it, what you want to do is it's going to take you to your buying page, and over here you want to choose how much you want to deposit on Trust Wallet. So let's say I want to deposit $150, so it's going to take $2 as the buying fee, so my total is going to be $148. alright, so I'm going to click on next, and it's going to use MoonPay for buying it, but you can choose whichever like site you want to use. Once it takes you to MoonPay, you need to log in into a MoonPay account. If you haven't created a MoonPay account, you can create yourself a MoonPay account. After you create yourself a MoonPay account, then it's gonna ask you to enter your debit card, your credit card, or your bank account. Now you can choose whichever method you like to transfer your money in. After you're over here, click on continue, and it's gonna ask you to log in. As I said, log in, enter your payment detail, and transfer your money, and your money will be converted into USDT, and now that USDT will be stored on your Trust Wallet. Now once the USDT is on your Trust Wallet, you can store it for however much long you want, and if you want to convert it into your money again, you can send it to a crypto exchange like Binance or Coinbase, and from there you can sell your USDT, and then from that USDT you're gonna get money, and you can transfer that money into your bank account, alright? How you guys can withdraw your money from Trust Wallet to bank account, alright? Now you cannot straight up transfer your money from Trust Wallet into your bank account. Trust Wallet only does things which is related with crypto. So in order to transfer the crypto into your bank, you need to do some extra steps. You need to go through like a centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, and many more, alright? But for this video's purpose, I'm going to use Coinbase as an example. So let's say I had like $20 worth of Bitcoin. What I need to do is I'm going to go to coinbase.com. A centralized exchange is an exchange with like the government believes in, alright? So in order to transfer your money into a bank, you need to have a centralized exchange. And my $20 of Bitcoin, I need to transfer into my Coinbase. Once it's transferred into my Coinbase, I need to sell my Bitcoin because you can't store crypto in your bank, right? So sell your crypto and get money. So my crypto was Bitcoin worth $20, so I can come to this website, sell my Bitcoin over here, get a $20, and once I get the $20, I can transfer that $20 from Coinbase into bank. Alright, so that's how this works. So you need to do that. You cannot straight up just transfer crypto from your Trust Wallet to your bank. You have to transfer it into a centralized exchange first, and from that exchange transfer into your bank. And some of the famous centralized exchanges, Binance and Coinbase. And if you don't know how to transfer money from Binance or Coinbase to bank, we have made a video on that topic. You can watch that video as well, alright? So yeah, that's how you guys can transfer your money from Trust Wallet to your bank account through this method. How you guys can delete or clear your cache on Trust Wallet. Now you can only clear the cache of your browser, the browser feature over here. By clearing the cache, you're basically just like deleting your search history of your browser of your Trust Wallet. You cannot delete your transaction history of the crypto you transferred using your Trust Wallet, alright? There's no way you can do that. But by deleting or by clearing your cache of your Trust Wallet, your browser's search history and your browser's cache is going to be deleted. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, you have to be on the latest version of Trust Wallet to do that, because on the past version of Trust Wallet, it didn't have the browser feature because due to like a dispute with App Store on Apple, they had to remove it. But right now on the latest update, they have added the browser feature again. So make sure to update your Trust Wallet, and you can follow the step which I'm going to be doing. First step, you want to click on setting after opening your Trust Wallet and go on versus preferences over here, which is going to be right below push notifications. Once you're on preferences, go on versus browser. Once you go on browser, you can see the clear browser cache option over here. You want to click on it, and it says this will clear your cache, cookies, and other browsing data. Click on OK, and it should be done. So yeah, that's basically how simple it is to delete or clear cache on Trust Wallet. How you guys can send Bitcoin Cash to Trust Wallet, right? Now this step is similar to any exchange, whether it's Binance, it's Coinbase, or any other exchange you use. The step is same, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. First step, open Trust Wallet. After you open Trust Wallet, you want to go on versus receive, alright? And once you go on receive over here on top versus search, you want to write BITCOINCASH. make sure you write Bitcoin Cash and make sure you click on the one where it says Bitcoin Cash with the little green B. All right, do not go to anyone else. All right, all these are not the one you want to go to. Now what happens when you go to a fake one or let's say into a wrong one? Basically it's going to give you an address, but whenever you try to send Bitcoin Cash to that address, you're not going to receive it. Anybody else is going to receive it. So make sure you go to Bitcoin Cash. Make sure it only says Bitcoin Cash. All right, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to give you this address. Now you can either scan this QR code and send Bitcoin Cash over here, or you can either click on copy. Once you copy the address, you can paste it on whichever exchange you're using. Just paste it at the place where you're trying to transfer Bitcoin Cash, and once you paste it, Bitcoin Cash is going to be sent to this address, and your Trust Wallet holds this address, which means you're going to receive Bitcoin Cash. All right, make sure it says Bitcoin Cash, or its short form, or its symbol is BCH. If you send any other crypto in this area rather than Bitcoin Cash, you're not going to receive it. You can only send Bitcoin Cash over here. All right, and for some reason, if you go to Bitcoin thinking Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin might be same and try to transfer Bitcoin Cash on Bitcoin, it's not going to work. Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin is different. The symbol of Bitcoin is BTC, the symbol of Bitcoin Cash is BCH. So know the difference. All right, so yeah, that's how we guys can send Bitcoin Cash to your Trust Wallet. How we guys can connect Sushiswap with Trust Wallet. All right, so first step, open your Trust Wallet and go on where it says browser. Now once you go on browser where it says search, you want to write SUSHISWAP. Once you search for Sushiswap over here, basically it's going to show you Sushiswap. So wait for some time. Once you see Sushiswap over here, you want to click on where it says the first one, Sushiswap, and it's going to take you to the official website of Sushiswap. Now wait for some time. Now once the website loads up over here, basically at the top you can see the Ethereum logo. Click on it and choose like which network you want to connect to. So I'm going to choose Ethereum network, and you can click on the three line at the top left corner. And over here, as you guys can see, my wallet over here is already connected. Since I get at the bottom, you can see a bunch of numbers over here. Once you see that, that means that's your wallet address and wallet is connected. So if you guys use the browser feature of Trust Wallet, whenever you go to DApp browsers just like Sushiswap, PancakeSwap and Uniswap, they're gonna automatically connect your wallet. You don't have to do anything. All right, so if you use the DApp browser, it's gonna happen like this. But if you use your phone browser, it's a bit different. So let me show you guys how you guys can do it using your phone's browser. All right, because in some they don't have the DApp browser feature. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys using your phone's browser. Search for Sushiswap, click on Sushi over here, click on it and click on enter app. Once over here, click on connect wallet, click on wallet connect, and from over here you want to choose Trust Wallet. Click on trust, and it's gonna ask permission, so enter the password of your Trust Wallet and click on connect, and your Trust Wallet will be connected. And if it doesn't happen in the first try, make sure to retry it multiple times, because sometimes it doesn't connect on the first try, so you gotta retry a couple of times, but it should work. So yeah, that's how we guys can connect Sushiswap to Trust Wallet. How we guys can sign out of your Trust Wallet. By sign out, I mean how we guys can log out from your Trust Wallet. All right, now first step, open your Trust Wallet and go on setting. Once you go on setting, go on where it says wallets over here. Now once you go on wallets, what you want to do is click on the three dot over here, and it's gonna bring you over here. Now once you're over here, you want to click on show secret recovery phrase over here. Now enter the password of your Trust Wallet over here. I'm going to do that real quick, and make sure you tick mark these three boxes and click on continue. Now once you're over here, it's going to show you these 12-word recovery phrase. Now make sure to keep this in a secret place, because if you don't have this, then you can't relog in into your Trust Wallet ever again, and all the crypto stored in your Trust Wallet is lost. So make sure to keep it in a secret place and don't share it with anyone, because anyone who has this can easily log in or access your Trust Wallet, right? So make sure to keep it in a secret place for you to relog in into your account again in the future purpose. Now once you're over here, you can click on this little dustbin icon, click on OK, and you should be able to sign out or log out from your Trust Wallet. But I don't want to log out right now, so I'm going to click on cancel over here. But you have to click on OK in order to log out from your Trust Wallet. Now that's how you guys can do it for Android. For iPhone, what you want to do is once you come in wallet, you want to swipe over here like this, and you can see the delete button. You can click on it and you can click on delete, and you will be logged out from your Trust Wallet. Alright, so yeah, that's also another way to log out from your Trust Wallet. So yeah, that's how you guys can sign out from your Trust Wallet. How you guys can delete your Trust Wallet. I'm not showing you guys how to delete Trust Wallet app, because it's pretty simple to delete the app. I think you might know how to do that. You can just hold on the app and click on remove app, click on delete app, the app will be deleted. But I don't want to show you that kind of stuff, right? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete your Trust Wallet's wallet, the account inside your Trust Wallet, how to delete it. Now remember, you can't delete your Trust Wallet account because once you create it, it's created. The only thing you can do is remove it from your device, all right? So when you create your Trust Wallet account, it's going to give you that 12-word recovery phrase, all right? So after you delete your Trust Wallet, make sure you throw away that 12-word recovery phrase, because without that 12-word recovery phrase, nobody can log in into your account. Even you can't. But if somebody else knows that, they can log in into your account. So make sure you keep that 12-word recovery phrase in a safe place. So make sure to throw away that 12-word recovery phrase. But if you want your account back again after some times, make sure to keep it safe. To delete it, you can just go on setting, go on wallet, and swipe left of the wallet over here like this. Once you swipe left, you can see the delete icon. Now you can click on delete, and your wallet will be deleted. All right, now I don't want to delete it right now, so I'm not going to click on delete. But if you click on delete, you will be instantly logged out from your wallet, and you need to create a new wallet in order to access Trust Wallet again. All right, that's how you guys can delete your Trust Wallet. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Financiable for future videos like this, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and peace out.